So we're getting our first tri-foldable phone from Huawei on September 10th. This is going to get exciting. It's actually the same day that the iPhone 16 is coming out, so there's a lot of speculation like, oh, they're releasing it on the same day as the iPhone to try to compete. I don't think so in any way possible. As I've said many times about this phone, any tri-foldable phone that comes out, it's not really looking to compete with any foldable cell phone or candy bar cell phone. It's just being released just for the fact of pushing the envelope, pushing the industry and seeing what you can and can't make. So I don't think this phone really is going to compete with anything. It's just really just out there to see what can be done. So yes, the iPhone 16 comes out the same day. There's a lot of speculation. I don't think there's any speculation. This is what's coming out. If you think this right here is meant to compete with an iPhone 16, I hate to tell you crazy, but you're kind of crazy. Because this phone's going to be $2,000 plus. This phone's going to have a 10-inch display versus your little candy bar cell phone on an iPhone, okay? This is like a full-on tablet, which is almost to a point where it's like a mini computer versus a phone. There's getting to a point that I feel like these tri-foldable phones, as they get more and more crazy, at what point do we say these aren't even cell phones? They're kind of just actual computers. I think we're getting to that point. We're getting very close to that point sometime soon. But again, this has nothing. I know there's same day. There is no competition, okay? $2,000 plus phone versus a $900 to $1,000 phone. 10-inch display that's a tablet like a mini computer. A underpowered 60 hertz display, which I believe, if I am correct, iPhone 16 does have 60 hertz, which is still insane. Apple's releasing 60 hertz displays in 2024, at the end of 2024. Every other phone in the iPhone lineup for 16 wise is going to have 120 hertz across the board. Every other phone, except for the base 16 model. Which I think is absolutely stupid. I mean, I get it, you want to save money, but again, it doesn't make logical sense when you think about it, with the fact that it's kind of standard now to have what's called 120 hertz across the board. That's just kind of how it is nowadays. But again, like I said, as we'll always say, tri-foldable phones, I love the fact that they're pushing the envelope, but even someone who loves foldable cell phones like myself, someone who wants foldable cell phones like myself, I won't even buy one. I would not buy a tri-foldable cell phone. I will support them. I will talk about them. I will give them all the credit they deserve. But because of durability issues and why they've always failed, I can't get behind buying this for myself. I'll buy the Samsung Galaxy S6 Slim Edition. You know, that like new phone that's coming out in October from Samsung that's going to be like $3,500. I'll get that. I'll unbox it for the channel. I'll talk about it on the channel. By the way, my Pixel 9 Pro Fold, guys, it just shipped. So I'm getting that on release day on the 4th. In 2 days, I'll have a video unboxing the brand new Pixel Fold 2, which I'm excited about and I'm ready about. But again, like I said, can't get behind tri-foldable phones. I will support them. I hope they succeed. I hope that everything goes well. But I could not, no matter what the price tag, really, I could not buy this phone. Maybe if it was like really affordable, but I could not see myself going for it. But this is my cup of tea, you know. I'll see you guys next one.